we have now officially hit the second longest crypto bear market on record, longer than the 2018 bear market, the crypto winter. Over 360 days of declining crypto prices. The longest crypto bear market ever was 2013 to 2015, which we're going to hit in January, meaning this is probably one of the most bearish conditions you could possibly be in. So first of all, congratulations to all those crazy people that are still sticking on and watching these videos, because I believe we're about to hit, and I think we're actually started, one of the greatest generational buying opportunities for crypto I've ever seen. Specifically in Bitcoin and Ethereum, I think over the next 10 to 12 months, maybe 18 months at the maximum, we're going to see really, really great entry prices to get involved in Bitcoin and Ethereum. I'm going to let you know my personal investing strategy in this video. But what we're seeing right now is complete bearishness. We've seen FTX blow up, Celsius, BlockFi. The outside people looking into crypto is a complete nightmare. We think we're scammers. They think that the industry's over. You know, they've heard about this FTX. Every single person I've spoken to have seen this in mainstream media. All the questions are, oh, that crypto thing's gone again. This is exactly what happened in 2018. I remember having a conversation with my friend at the bar. He's telling me crypto's over, mate. It's all over. Look at what's going on in the news. It's completely over. And I remember telling him specifically, I said, I'm still buying, mate, and I can't wait to tell you when this market turns. And guess what? In November last year, I gave him that message and let him know that he was wrong and I was right. But guess what? We're back in this position again. And those people are coming back to tell us how crypto is over. It's done. It's going to zero again. And that is the right time to be greedy when everybody is fearful. The whole Warren Buffett saying. And I think for the next 12 months, people are going to be super fearful. I think prices have lower to go. I was looking at some on-chain data of miners today, and they are all underwater. So many of these larger firms. One in particular I found is losing $1.7 billion a year. They're about to go under. Prices this low does not substantiate miners being profitable, which continues to push downwards pressure on the price. I think we've got the contagion risk of everything that was going on with Celsius, BlockFi, now FTX, maybe Genesis. I know there's been comments around there. I think we do have a lot more contagion risk with people having to force sell their assets to liquidate and get cash. And I'm just generally seeing across the board this complete bearishness, which we know in Warren Buffett's words is to be greedy when people are fearful and fearful when people are greedy. I think that's easier said than done. But I think this space has such a long way to go. I was at NFT Fest last week here in Melbourne, and the community came together. It was this reckoning for me to see the Web3 community. NFT specifically had this way of coming together and forming networks and connections and building together, which I don't see in the tokenized crypto world. I see infighting. I see we're the best, you suck, and we want to win. I think we all need to come together as a crypto community and build together, partner together, add value first. I'm reading this book at the moment on Ignite Yourself, tools to be a better person and sort of how you can add value to the world. And one of the top things is just find synergies with people. Come and listen and learn and just see where you can add value. It might be very small, it might be large, who knows, but add value. And I know that's a very philosophical sort of thing, but we can bring that into crypto. In all my conversations with people, I like to try and lead with what can I add, how can I help you? And I think we need to do that as an industry because, to be quite frank, the technology we have in this space, the software, the hardware, the onboarding, is still pretty crap. The onboarding experience into crypto, using a ledger, using a MetaMask, the safety, the security is all really tough to use. I still get sweaty palms when I do that sort of stuff. No wonder no one is going into self-custody and looking after their own finances in cryptos because it's so bloody hard to use. Right? So we need to be investing into building better products, better hardware, better onboarding systems, better education to help people. And it's why we're investing so much into Collective Shift to build these onboarding experiences to help your friends and family get into crypto and navigate this space. And even from an investing landscape, this year has been littered with VCs making extraordinary amounts of money by front running the market, getting great prices for tokens, getting shorter lockup periods, and then dumping into retail investors. And it just happens over and over and over again. The bigger guy is making all the money. We need to wake up to see what's going on in this space. It's been hyped up. There's been a lot of VC capital. There's been a lot of money in this space. And that's why we're seeing so many bad actors. When you have no oversight, you have poor understanding of a space and a crap load of money, you're going to get these bad actors. So we all need to pull together. We need to help this space. We need to build better products. We need to educate our users. We need to educate our friends and come together and make this space warm and friendly to come in and get involved, not shut them down in a Facebook group when someone says, a newbie question. Like, why are we so angry at people? Like, I know we're, a lot of us are down. Some people are invested and they're down. That's okay. We don't need to shut people down. Like, we need more people to come into this space to learn why decentralization is important, to learn why we need self-custody, to learn why we need to be our own bank. The more we infight, the more we make this space harder for people to get in, the less people are going to come in and want to use it, and the longer this bear market's going to be delayed. So anyway, that's a big rant. I'm just feeling like this space just really needs to lift and mature, and we just need to come together, build better products, build solutions that people would want. Don't create replica products and raise a bunch of money, do nothing with it, and just shit on this industry. Like, let's add value, stop extracting it, and build for a better future where we can be our own bank, we can live in a decentralized world, where we can use DeFi and smart contracts and have Bitcoin in our own wallets. We don't need centralized entities to run that. We can use them to buy and sell whatever we want, but then bring it and teach people how to use this technology and build better hardware and build better technology so it's easier for people to use. So that's it, rant over. But this is your chance to get a generational buying opportunity, in my opinion. I've now recently changed my strategy. I haven't bought any crypto for the last 12 months until last week. So my personal strategy right now is I'm taking 30% of my salary each week and I'm putting that into Bitcoin. And I know that might be privileged for some people, but I'm restricting on my costs. I don't have a house. I travel. I just live from Airbnbs, place to place. I don't spend much money outside of what I need to live on. And so I've been able to take 30% of my wage and put it straight into Bitcoin. And soon my plan is to buy Ethereum, maybe a lump sum of Ethereum. I think we're going 3 digits Ethereum. I think Bitcoin's got a long way to go, lower as well. But I think over the next 12 to 18 months, we are going to have this generational buying opportunity. And this is different to most buying opportunities. Usually, like in 2018, we had that spike lower, and yes, we would have loved to buy a lot then. I don't think we go that lower. But for me, this is going to be a prolonged bear market. So for those people that don't have a lot of cash on the sidelines like me, you can take a percentage of your salary. You can dollar cost average. You can stack your sats over the next 12, 18 months for the lowest prices I believe we'll ever get ever again. After the next 2 or 3 years, these prices are done. So this is the time to invest, in my opinion. Bitcoin and Ethereum, double down. It's time to take charge of your money. Don't miss out. I know it's hard, but do it. I guarantee, I can't guarantee anything, but I firmly believe, for me anyway, that this is going to be the best opportunity to buy crypto at these prices. Now, I hope that's been helpful. I know I went a bit of a rant. I run this company called Collective Shift. This is the channel. If you're new here, we're trying to do these videos 2 to 3 times a week. But over on our platform, we have hundreds of free resources on crypto guides, courses to help you get from 0 to 1. Maybe you've been scammed. Maybe you've followed some bad advice. It's a trusted platform to help you navigate these markets, to avoid doing the wrong thing again, investing in the right projects, helping you catch up without needing to spend all the time. We know you're busy. We cut down the time with our team of analysts and get you from 0 to 1, navigating the market successfully. Head over there. Lots for free, and also you can try out our membership for $1 for 7 days. My name's Ben. If you like this video, please subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye for now.